fireworks tonight. So loud. So loud. I don't know. It's just so loud. I can't go to sleep. It's like 9 or 9:40 or something. 9:40 p.m. Still doing fireworks. They're so loud. Just can't go to sleep, you know. Bye.